Good Sunday morning. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I am working on 2 prompts for the Junk Journal July challenge because I missed yesterday. I was just too busy. I couldn't get it done. So today I've got 15 and 16 tucked away in maximalism. So I thought this was a very busy floral spread. So I'm going to cover the page with that as my background. But before I do that, I'm going to sew this little fabric flip onto the page. I've seen Meg from Meg Journals, who's hosting this challenge along with Get Messy Art. I see her doing a lot of stitching, and I've been wanting to try it for a very long time. I just never get around to it, so I thought maximalism would be the perfect opportunity to do a lot of things that I haven't done before, or, you know, and plus things I've done before. So I'm going to get started sewing this to the top of my page. Then I have another little maximalist floral that I'm going to use as a journaling card. I think I'm going to round the corners off. And I'm going to put that in this little envelope. And I'm going to decorate the envelope. And I'm going to tuck it away under the... Actually, no. Yeah, it'll be this way. Maybe this way? I have to figure that one out. But that's going to go under the fabric flip. Alright, so I'm going to round off the corners, and I just found this little quote from an old planner that I'm going to put on the back of this to make it a little bit easier on myself. Yesterday my other daughter called me from Japan to remind me to, well, us, my husband and I, to pick her up at the airport tomorrow. So I've got a busy week coming up, and yeah, I'm going to just glue that onto there. And decorate. I still feel like for maximalism I need to do more stuff. Maybe some stickers, but they really won't show up on this paper. I can put like a big sticker in the middle there. Let's see what I got. I got quite a few stickers here. Oh, I forgot. Well, I need one that's not see-through for here, but I do have all those other little flower stickers that I got, but unfortunately, I think they might be too see-through to show up. Well, these are nice and flat. I'll probably use one of those. I've got some dot stickers. Let's start with those. This one's flatter than this one. These are kind of, they got that little backing thing on them. So I kind of like the dark colored one. Let's put that in the middle of this. There we go. That's going to go in my envelope. On the envelope, we could put some other flowers. Let's see. I've got some daisies. One might go well because there's daisies on here. Let's do daisies. Let's see. We got some here. We got some big ones. I think I'd rather have some big ones on here. There's a yellow one. There's not really any yellow in here, so let's stick with the daisies. That reminds me. Anybody remember the old show from the 60s, Please Don't Eat the Daisies? Or none of you watching as old as I am. I used to love that show. They had a big giant sheepdog on it. And I think that's who they didn't want to eat the daisies. The big sheepdog. It was a movie with Doris Day first. And then it became a TV show. They lived in like an old, almost like a castle. Big old house. This one's not coming off as easily. Oh, there we go. So there's that. I don't know how maximalist you would consider that, but I still need something else to do. And see, I decorated it. I guess that's okay. I didn't want to be able to see it. And you won't be able to see it. So let's go ahead and glue this down. Alright, make sure I got it. Did I do that right? Yeah. Okay. I gotta have it like right about here. Yeah. Okay. So there's my tucked away journaling card, or quote card I should say. That's good. It's tucked up in there. I could actually put something here. And I'm going to start coughing again. Sorry. I have some of these very pretty Monet washi tape, which these two are my favorites. It's rolling away. We could put some of this right across here like that to help hold it down a little bit. I don't want it to go over the parameters of the fabric though. There. So that could go like that. Alright. We could put something here. look for some other flower stickers. Some different color ones, some purple ones. How about that? That fits there. I don't know if I like it though. Not my favorite. Here, we'll put this one here. I just want some tulips too. And put this here. Close that up. What else can we do? What else can we do? I've got these dots, but I don't think they really gonna do much for my spread. So we'll get rid of those. Here is a little flower that maybe we could put right here. But then we need to put something over here. So, go ahead and do it. What the heck? I'll cover up the, oh, look what I did. We'll cover up the little glue spot there. I can't believe I ripped it right in half. There, you never know now. We could put some petals. Why don't we just go ahead and do that? Put some flower petals over here. It's very maximalist. We got something here. But I think we're good on that. So let's close that up and let me think about this. Alright, so I've decided to go ahead and put like a little strip here of some contrasting paper with the dates and the prompt numbers on it, and then I thought I'd find a couple of cute little birds. If 2 will fit, I'll put 2. If not, 1. And well, let's get that glued down, and I think we'll call it done. It seems pretty maximalist to me. Not my normal style, I wouldn't say, but it's definitely got a lot going on there. So, see if I can find some birds that, oh, here's a nice little red bird, maybe too much the same color as the background. Here's a little blue bird, but I do think I'm going to try to cut off some of that white part. Okay, so here's my finished spread for Tucked Away in Maximalism. I have a fabric flip that I sewed on with embroidery thread, and behind that, tucked away behind it, I have a little envelope, and tucked into the envelope I have a little journaling card with this little quote, or I don't know, it's just a little quote, I guess. I don't know what you call it. On the days when you need inspiration, may you be blessed with the understanding that you are one of God's perfect creations and you have everything you need to fulfill your life's purpose. I thought that was a very nice little, kind of like an affirmation card, if you will. And that's all tucked away under here. And then for a little bit more maximalism effect, I added this strip with the dates, the prompt numbers, and a little bird. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I would love to have more subscribers. I'd love to have more views. And if you like what you see and are interested, please do subscribe and watch and share and all that stuff. And I hope you are having a wonderful day, a wonderful Sunday. And yeah, so hope you're happy and healthy, and we'll see you hopefully again tomorrow for number 17, which is pause. I have to really think about that one. And then 18 is favorite supply, and you know, all my supplies are my favorite supplies. I don't know if I have an absolute favorite. Alright guys, well I'll let you go to get on with your Sunday. Thank you so much. Bye bye.